Alright, so I applied the dressing onto the leather, and right now it's soaking in and drying up. And so now I'm going to address the stuffing inside of the glove. So when I took out the laces and I removed the leather from the glove, this is what was inside of the glove. I have no idea what it is. It's some sort of like a whole bunch of stuff all mashed together. There's different colors in it, but it's losing its form a little bit, and the glove, I guess after so much use, the padding has compressed a little bit, and so it's not as fluffy as it should be, as a catcher's mitt should be. And so what I wanted to do was I want to add a little bit of padding, but I didn't know what this was. So I looked on the vintage glove forums on the internet, and one guy said to check for auto upholstery felt. Another guy said look for jute upholstery felt. So I went to my local auto upholstery shop, and I asked them if they had anything similar to this, and he said, no, not really, this is kind of old stuff. However, they do have felt, and this is what it looks like. This is just remnants. The guy gave me this whole big sheet for like $5, and you can tell that it actually kind of looks similar to what's inside what's the original padding. There's all different kinds of threads all mashed together. So I cut out pieces from this felt, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just stitch it on top of it. So here's one piece here, here's another here, and this piece right here. So I'm gonna stitch that on top, and then there's really no padding for the pocket of the glove, and so I got a little bit different auto upholstery felt. This is thinner. This is like a 1/4 inch. This is like a 1/2 inch thick, and I'm gonna just put that in the pocket like so. And I've never done this before, so I'm a little bit worried that this is too thick, but we'll see how it goes. If I need to, I could always just, I guess, like cut away some of this. But what I'm gonna try to do right now is I'm gonna try to roughly sew it onto the old padding, just so it stays together in one form. Okay, so what came with this awl is this wax thread that looks like this. So it looks very similar to the thread that's actually stitching the current padding together. So I'm going to use this, and I have a big needle here, and I also have the awl to use if I wanted to. But this needle should probably be okay. And I'm just going to go and I'm going to stitch through this. Let's see if I can form it any better. First piece, threaded. Definitely not as neat as the factory. However, it's just padding, so it should be fine. And now for the other side. Okay, so now we have these two pieces put together, And now I need to sew in this pocket piece. Alright. So here we go. Here is the amended padding for the catcher's mitt. I hope it turns out well.
Oh, well, well. Well. Take it.